njani igama lami ngicela ngowasikhathi
ave hluphula nini ngiyacela
lethi sicele ukukhuluma nobhala kodwa na ube khona ungasi nobhala mhlawumbe uma ungasibriefa nje ngosuku lwanamhlanje njengoba kadini lapho e-African National Congress
No, nothing. We're just coming to pray, led by Palestinians of the Network to this riverside mosque. We're coming to pray, and I think we feel very honored as the African National Congress, led by the Deputy President, that we're welcome here. It's a very huge mosque. It's got a lot of history. They've taken us after the prayer. Taken us to the museum to see the history, the project of humanity, selflessness. I think it was a good thing. For us at the African National Congress, it's a good thing. But it's even more good when they say they mobilize everyone to go to the stadium on the 24th and Saturday to listen to the president who delivered the manifesto of the 24th general election.
Lokubhala ngizokuyela kule briefing yakho lapho wakhuluma khona nge-EFF ukuthi uconsistent ngokusho ukuthi uphathele ukuthatha ngama-by election.
Ngicelani nawe. Ngicelani.
One question. If you can just summarize your visit to Bunaula.
We were welcomed at the mosque here to really engage with the community and agree to continue to working together, also in solidarity with the people of Palestine, but working for peace everywhere in the world. The ANC has always stood for peace. We have worked with the Muslim community for years, under the guidance of our former President Madiba. We work together, and even today we are still working on his footsteps of fighting for peace and justice everywhere in the world, including in Palestine.
Yeah. Last question, Deputy President. There's a question about the performance of the ANC in this province. What is your take, especially after the recent by-election that took place in Opongolo and the emergence of controversies of the former President Jacob Zuma? What is your take on that?
Well, every South African is free. They want to form their own parties. That's what our democracy has brought. Our constitutions allow that. What the ANC must do itself is to focus on working with the people. Forget about other parties. Work with the people. Deal with the challenges that the people are facing on the ground. That's how people support you. If you don't work with them, you don't deal with their challenges, there's no way you can expect to get support. And I know our comrades here in KZN are working very hard. They are there in communities, and we will continue to support them.
Anisabi MK la